Hello, I'm Christy Anderson, Trinity County Environmental Health. Today, July 14th, 2020, I wanted to speak to you to give you some guidance on Governor Newsom's new order to close down certain businesses or limit certain operations. We know that this has been a very challenging time for our business owners and the public. As we move forward, we have to do so with the mindset that we are in this together and that all of our actions affect others. Governor Newsom and State Health Officer Dr. Angel have ordered the following sectors closed for all indoor operations: dine-in restaurants, wineries, tasting rooms, movie theaters, family entertainment centers, and museums. In addition, complete closure of bars, breweries, pubs, with the exception of those that do so in conjunction with food service. They may now serve the public outdoors only, or in conjunction with a meal to go. And even though the orders have been tough to hear, it's important to remember that Trinity County is not on the state of California's watch list. And that if we do end up there, things can get stricter and even tougher. That's why I'm asking Trinity County residents today to think about your community before you enter a public indoor space without a mask on. Think about your neighbors before having a block party. Think about your friends that own a business and will be impacted by further restrictions. I know that everyone is struggling to feel normal again. My family is too, but let's protect each other. The only way that we can get through this pandemic is by working together and showing consideration before we act. We need to show unity and support for all sectors of our population. It's important to remember that when we wear a mask in public, we are setting a good example to those that are traveling through the area. It helps to show them how it is to respect us. According to the census information, almost 1/3 of our population is over the age of 65. Those within the highest risk category with exposure to COVID-19. So I'm asking once again, set a good example for our children, show local businesses in this difficult time, wear a mask, avoid gathering, and let's get through this together. I now want to introduce you to Marcy Kutzel, Public Health Nursing Director, who will now give updates.
Thank you, Christy. Marcy Jo Kutzel, Public Health Branch Director. I would like to give you the numbers for our testing results. We have 958 negatives. There were 2 positives that have resolved. We have 101 tests pending. We currently have 6 individuals in quarantine with a total of 25 quarantines to date. The Public Health Branch continues to focus efforts around protecting the public and preventing the spread of COVID-19 in Trinity County. Important activities include supporting masking policies, working with partners on mitigation plans, such as schools and our local jail, and to continue to ensure testing availability and sufficient contact tracing and investigation to meet potential demands. We continue to work with our hospital and regional partners to ensure the resources are available to respond to any potential surge in patients. We receive many questions regarding disease activity throughout the state and what it means for Trinity County. With significant community spread in many counties, throughout California, this virus has demonstrated its ability to continue to infect large numbers of individuals and to once again impact hospital capacity in those counties. The means to prevent this in Trinity County is to adhere to the prevention strategies in place and to not underestimate this virus. We again want to emphasize the importance of obtaining information from public health experts during this pandemic. With that said, we ask that all our residents that can wear face coverings do so when in public and to adhere to the mandates set out by Governor Newsom. We are a community that cares for one another. Let's continue to do so when it matters most. Also, please get tested either through your healthcare provider or through the drive-through testing sites. Every week, these are available on Thursday and Friday. Testing this week will be conducted on Thursday from 8 to 11:45 at Trinity Performing Arts Center here in Weaverville, and on Friday from 9 to 1, Lewiston Elementary School in Lewiston, California. As always, up-to-date information on COVID-19 can be found on our trinitycounty.org website and also on the government covid19.ca.gov website. Thank you so much and stay well.